How to change your age on TikTok in 2026. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to request an age correction if you entered the wrong birthday. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Menu in the top right corner. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report a Problem or Help Center, depending on your app version. Then tap on Chat with Us and select the account. Look for an option related to account or birthday/date of birth. If TikTok provides an option to update your birthday, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to verify your age before TikTok can approve the change. Depending on your account or region, TikTok may offer options such as facial age estimation or government-issued ID verification. If you choose facial age estimation, follow the instructions to use your camera and complete the verification. If you choose ID verification, upload a valid document, such as a passport or driver's license, as requested by TikTok. Once you've submitted your request, wait for TikTok to review it. If your request is approved, TikTok will update the date of birth associated with your account. Keep in mind that you should only provide your real date of birth. Age restrictions on TikTok are designed to protect younger users and limit access to age-restricted features or content. And that's it. That's how you can request a correction to your age on TikTok in 2026. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more TikTok tips and tutorials.